Hi, hello students. Good evening, all of you. How are you all? So I'm also very good. Thank you. So how's your preparations are going on? Yes, I hope everybody is doing well and preparing well for the examinations. Again, I'm come up with one more important topic for class 12, that is application of integrals. So because it is important, because one question is compulsory asked on this chapter for 5 marks. That is why this has a good weightage in part D. So there are only limited number of problems will be asked on this chapter. So you can see from the previous question paper and model question paper, only 3 to 4 examples are repeatedly asked in the exam. Let us see those important 3 to 4 examples we'll discuss in the today's class. Okay, let us see one important example on this. Find the area of ellipse. It should have been area x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1 by integration method. Okay, and we should know what is the equation of ellipse and what is its geometry. First part. Okay, so this is your equation of ellipse and this is the geometry. Okay, and this is a is your major axis and b is your minor axis. Two matters here. Okay, so this is your origin 0, 0, and this is the x-axis. On x-axis y will be 0. All of you know that. So the point will be a, 0. A is because the x coefficient is a, and here it is on y-axis. X will be 0, and x will be 0, and y will be b. That is 0, b. So because y is associated with the b element. Okay. Now we need to find the whole area of the ellipse now. Okay. So why I have marked only this part is all are equal. All 4 quadrants of the ellipse are equal. If you find only one, this area is suppose 1, and this is also equals to 1 square root, 1 square root, 1 square root. All will be 4 square roots. Okay, let us find this and we'll multiply by 4. So that is the total area of the. Let us see. So what I do is we'll find the area of OAB. Okay, let us see. Area is equals to 0 to A. Other than that, what we do first? 4 times of area of OAB. This is OAB. And how we write mathematically? 0 to A y dx. This is your area. I'll take this as equation number 1. Why we need to take only y dx? In the sense, you can take x dy also, but we have taken an element along the y-axis. You can take along x-axis also. Don't mind that. So for all the problems, you can take areas y dx. 0 to a y dx. A will be a because in generally the a value is not mentioned, so we'll take the limit as a itself. Okay. Now what we do? We need to find the value of y. Okay. How to find the value of y? By using the given equation. Given equation is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. Okay. You need y. We'll bring this into RHS. What it becomes? So y square by b square as it is, it becomes 1 minus x square by a square. Plus term becomes minus. So now take LCM in the RHS. A square and a square will multiply 1. A square into 1 is x square minus x square as it is. A square into 1 is a square minus as it is, and x square as it is. Whole divided by a square is your LCM. Okay. Now what we do is bring this b square into RHS. How it becomes? Y square is equals to b square into a square minus x square by a square as it is. Done. Easy. This comes here. Denominator comes into the numerator of the RHS. Now what we need? We need y. We have y square. So bring this y into square into RHS. It becomes square root. That is y is equals to root of b square into a square minus x square divided by a square. Isn't it? Okay. Now b square root will be b, a square square root will be a. Okay. What it becomes? Therefore y is equals to b by a root a square minus x square, and this is your y. Right? Root of b square is b and a square is in denominator. Again, root of a square is a, and this stays in the square root only. Okay. and I'll use this y value in the equation number 1, then we will integrate. Okay, easy. So equation number 1 becomes a is equals to, so we left with 1 here. What we need to do here, this 4 as it is. Okay, 4 as it is, 0 to a, y value is this much, b by a root a square minus x square into x. Isn't it? Is it easy now? Okay, now what we do, we need to integrate this quantity. B by a is constant, I will keep it outside, 4b by a. B by a is outside, only we need to integrate this term. Okay, so this is the direct formula, square root of a square minus x square integration. What it is, I'll write down here, x by 2 a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, and the limit will be kept as it is. This whole flower bracket value is the integration value of root a square minus x square. Direct formula है देखो ये. This is your direct formula. We are not applying any method or anything. इसका formula इतना है. And we did not apply the limit and we keep it as that is. Next step is to apply the limit. How to apply the limit? This is the method. What is ULLL? Upper limit minus of lower limit. How to apply and where to apply? Let us see. I'll show you in easy way. Okay, we have integrated with respect to x in the sense wherever the x terms are there, you keep it as a as upper limit, minus in terms of x as 0, that is lower limit. Let us see. So again 4b by a constant as it is. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, जहां पे भी x वैल्यूज है ना उधर अपर लिमिट a डालो. क्या होगा, x is a by 2 and root a square as it is minus x का वैल्यू फिर से a अपर लिमिट a square plus a square by 2 as it is into sine inverse of x in the sense a by e. This square bracket is our upper limit. Wherever we have x, we applied a minus, what is the procedure? Yes, very good. We need to apply the lower limit. I'll write the lower limit here below. Okay. Again क्या करेंगे, x का वैल्यू लोअर लिमिट डालो. क्या होता है देखो, x is 0. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लेकिन कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. x is 0, lower limit 0 into anything is 0. I'll write 0. This whole term becomes 0 plus a square by 2 as it is. Sine inverse of x is 0 again. 0 by anything is 0. So this becomes sine inverse of 0. And we know that sine inverse of 1 is 1 and sine inverse of 0 is 0. Where we need these values, can we cancel this a with a? What it becomes? Sine inverse of 1 is, oh sorry, this is pi by 2, my bad. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Okay. And here it is sine inverse of 0 is 0. Let us apply this. And what this first term becomes, a by 2 as it is, a square minus a square. A square minus a square is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Let us see. 4b by a, first term is 0, plus a square by 2 as it is. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 minus 0, leave it, we are left with only this 2. A square by 2 into sine inverse of 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. What we left? We left with only this term. Can we cancel 2, 2 and this 4 and also 1a with 1a? What we left with? Pi 1a and b, pi ab square units. Is it easy? Okay, so check it out once.